If you have an extra layer of skin in your eyelids that make it difficult to apply eyeliner, then you have hooded eyes. This video will help you achieve a flattering, lovely eyeliner routine every single time if you have hooded eyes. So when applying eyeliner on hooded eyes, you want to select the best type of eyeliner that will make the application very easy. So I would recommend using a felt tip eyeliner pen because it gives you more control when you're applying the eyeliner, so you apply the eyeliner in a straight line. And felt tip eyeliner pens are also really pigmented. You don't want to use something slippery like a gel eyeliner because you'll have less control and it's gonna be really hard to draw a straight line without messing up. So I would recommend getting this NYX Epic Ink liner. It's really good and really pigmented. So when you're applying eyeliner on hooded eyes, you always want to make sure that you're facing forward when you're applying the eyeliner so that you're making sure to apply the eyeliner on top of the folds of the eyes. You don't want to look down when applying it because after you apply it and you look up, it will appear very crooked because of the folds of the eyelids. So instead, you always want to face forward when you're drawing out the line. So I like to take the pen and I like to start from the outer portion of my eye and draw just a wing on the outer portion while I'm facing forward. And you can wing it out as far as you want depending on how big you want the eyeliner to look. If you want a really small eye, you want to keep the wing very short. So once you draw out this line, you want to face your eyes forward when applying it. So you want to go over the folds of your eyes and draw that eyeliner through the folds. And it's going to look something like this. And then when you do this, it's going to be a little bit crooked. But as long as when you're facing forward, the liner is straight, then that's all you need. So next, what I like to do is I like to fill it in and close it in. And as you can see, there's a major difference between this eye and this eye. When I face forward, this eye kind of has that crooked wing that goes down and then it comes back up. But this eye has a sharper wing, it's more straight and looks more structured. So you always want to apply your eyeliner as close to your upper lash line as possible because if you have hooded eyes, you don't have enough eyelid space on your eyes, so you want to keep that line very thin. This will prevent the eyeliner from touching the folds and looking unnatural. So in order to create a fuller eyeliner look, you want to tightline your eyes. So tightlining is applying eyeliner on the inner part of your lash line to close in your eyes. So this will create that illusion of fuller eyelashes and eyelids. So to tightline, you want to find an eye pencil that is really pigmented. A really good one is by Makeup by Mario. And to do this, you want to avoid using gel liners or felt tip eyeliners because they're liquid eyeliners and they'll get inside your eye. So you want to use a product that is solid, such as an eyeliner pencil. So what I like to do is I like to just go back and forth slowly and just kind of close in my eyes. So there's many different types of eyeliner looks that you can do with the wing eyeliner. The first one is a bat eyeliner, which is this right here. Next, you can apply a fox eyeliner look if you wish. So with the fox eyeliner, I like to go over the fold on the inner portion of my eyelids and drag it out just a little bit. You want to do it just a little bit so you don't overextend it. Then after that, you want to tie it in with the bottom part of your lash line. And after that, you want to go in and apply mascara to your bottom and top lashes. And in order to learn how to apply eyeshadow, you really have to understand what you're doing wrong first. And that's why this video right here is so important and you have to watch it because I go over the eyeshadow mistakes that destroy your eyeshadow and how to fix them.
KLJ, welcome to a channel where it's poppin'.